Homie. The E doesn't work on that typewriter.
We don't need no stinking E. Restaurant review. No. Eatery evaluation. No. Food box. Go or no go by Homer. No. Earl. No. Bill Simpson. Well, what do you think?
This is a joke, right? I mean, this is the stupidest thing I've ever read.
What's wrong with it?
Well, you keep using words like Paschetti and Mamados. You make numerous threatening references to the UN. And at the end, you repeat the words screw Flanders over and over again.
Oh, it's so hard to get to 500 words.
Oh, look, Homer, I'm sorry.
No, you're right. It's a joke. Ha, ha, ha. Everyone laugh at the funny joke. Ha, ha. I'll be right back with the real review. Still not clean. Think your failure's still on me.
Dad, I'm sorry the editor didn't like your review. I'll help you write a new review if you just let me use the bathroom.
Still not clean. Still not clean.